Grandmama watch a child. Her make it smile on when she's outside. Get your song. Tell a DJ to play your song. Feel it, feel it. Try not to put love song. Try not to put love song. To a love. Now you in me. Try not to cry love. To a love song. Be the way to go. To a love song.
Alright, you guys, so a very transparent post. My 9-year-old struggles daily with ADHD. She's more so on the hyperactive and impulsive side. So realistically for her, cleaning up is too much, but messing up isn't. Trust me, I don't understand it either. So typically how I like to break down her chores, because I cannot give her too many tasks at once, it's just too much for her. So grasping the concept of cleaning before you move on to the next area is easier said than done. I honestly feel like children and adults can get used to just being in the clutter, because just imagine how their mind feels. Very racing, very intrusive thoughts, just a whole bunch going on. In this step in my life, I am practicing patience, and I'm trying to build a tolerance for taking a step back and putting myself in her shoes. So for something that feels so easy as buying organizing bins, buying shoe rack bins, it's easier, but it's not necessarily, it doesn't mean it's going to help. And as far as tips and tricks, I personally don't have any for you, because the things that I think in my mind may work isn't how her mind works, and every child isn't the same. Just give yourself some grace and just take a step back and remove yourself from the equation with emotion and things like that, because I have found myself getting very, very extremely frustrated. But the only thing that does is jeopardize my mental health. So when I'm in the mood, I just normally just play music and just go in there and give it a real deep clean. And I'm that mom, if it's on the floor, that means it's trash. So yes, I did pick up all that stuff and I put it in the trash.
What that make me lost cool, nigga. The whole time you was fooling me, nigga.